blue water, white sand, and penguins by the ocean. Welcome to Boulders Beach. This video is about Boulders Beach. It's one of the very few places in the world where you can see penguins living freely, right next to the ocean, not in a zoo, not behind the glass. It's located near Simonstown, around 40 to 45 kilometers from Cape Town city center. Reaching out Boulders Beach is part of the experience itself. And for me, this journey began right here in Cape Town, waking up to another calm morning, looking out at the city, knowing today's leads somewhere special. From these quiet moments, the plan slowly takes shape, leaving the city behind, following the coast, and letting the journey unfold naturally. One of the nicest way to go to Boulders Beach is by train. You can take the Southern Lane train from the Cape Town station towards Simonstown. This train ride is often called one of the most scenic railway routes in SA. But if trains aren't your things, then Uber or driving is also easy. It usually takes around 1 hour, depending on the traffic. Either way, the journey slowly takes you from busy city life to calm coastal nature. With ocean view, rocky cliffs, quiet coastal towns, and waves running just a meter away from the tracks. This route passes through areas like Meselberg, St. James, and Fishhook, places known for beaches, surfers, and that slow coastal rhythm. Along the way, there is a short but iconic stop. Guess what? The colorful beach huts of Meselberg. These bright little houses aren't just popular for potters, they are part of Cape Town's coastal culture. Look at these, simple, bold, and cheerful. They added color to the journey before things turn a bit more wild and natural. Just a few moments here, and the roads continue to the south. And then, suddenly, Boulders Beach, located near Simonstown. This beach is unlike any other beach in SA. Because this is not just a beach for human. It's home to a protected colony of penguins. Cute African penguins. Dating back to the 18th century, when it was used by British Royal Navy. For a long time, this coastline was quiet and untouched. The penguin arrived much later. In the early 19th century, just a few breeding fair of African penguins started settling here. Why here? Because the water are rich in food. The boulders offer protection from the wind and predators. They rest on the sand. They walk freely. They are chilled and very comfortable here. And sometimes they look at the visitors like they own the place, which honestly they kind of do. And yes, they are cute, but they are also wild animals. And conservation here is taken seriously. African penguins are an endangered species. Boulders Beach plays a vital role in protecting them, reminding us that tourism and nature can coexist if done responsibly. So if you are here, you are not just visiting a beach, you are stepping into a conservation zone. How to behave here, it's very important. This part matters. These penguins may look cute and friendly, but they are wild animals. Don't touch them, don't feed them, don't block their way. Don't chase them for photos. Penguins have very sharp brakes, and more importantly, they get stressed easily. There are wooden walkways built specially so human and penguins can share the space. And just before it all ends, the seagulls remind me of something simple. They don't follow the maps. They don't rush destination. They just move with the wind, trusting the journey. From Cape Town, through coastal roads, quiet towns, train lines, passing places like Merselburg, all the way to Boulders Beach. This journey was never just about arriving. It's about how humans, nature, and wildlife can exist in the same space without control, without noise, without hurry. Here the city slows down, nature stays wild, and we are simply allowed to observe. Maybe that's the real beauty of this place, not the destination, but everything that comes together along the way. If you enjoyed the video or been to this page, share your experience on the comments. See you on the next one.